guys, getting ready to do some string trimming today. I'm going to show you some great tools, save your back, make you more efficient when you're out there working. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Corey Ballard, Ballard Products, showing you the Darwin grip on a combi here with the stick edger. Guys, this completely changes the way you're able to hold your edger. You're not hunched over. You can adjust this, stand upright. If you're doing a lot of stick edging, bed edging, this combi is going to work on. It's going to work on any of your combi units. Just completely changes the way you hold your trimmer and the weight. The unit, you're not lifting the weight, you're not holding the weight. You can just walk along really smooth and slick. I'm going to show you on the trimmer as well how the Darwin works. Guys, this completely changes the way you string trim. So you've got it right here. This is adjustable. It's going to work on all your brands. Husky, Steel, Echo, Red Mac, Shendawa, you name it. Completely changes the way you hold your trimmer. There's less vibration. The trimmer actually feels lighter because of your leverage point. So you've just got it, again, I've got it loose right now. You want to get it to where it's most comfortable. Guys that want to flip the edge, you can still flip it. Some guys leave the stock handles on as well. So just completely changes the way you trim. Your back's not busted all day long. As always, we've got the trimmer clip on here, as well as the smart spool with the Samurai Fury line. So we sell the trimmer clip, which holds a preloaded head. So if you run out of line when you're way away from the truck, you got a preloaded head. Got the Incredible bottle here that holds fuel for you commercial guys that do big sites. We've all ran out of fuel. It's a nightmare. You got to walk back to the truck, get a drink, look at your cell phone, waste a bunch of time. You can keep fuel with you right there. So you got 16 ounces of fuel, pre-mixed, ready to go. Doesn't add a lot of weight, guys. It really just makes this machine have everything you need on it, so you're not wasting time walking back to the truck, and be as efficient as possible when you're out in the field. As always, guys, got my plug phones on. Hearing protection. It's a 29 noise reduction. Listen to music. You can change songs. You can take phone calls. Protect your hearing. Listen to music all day long. Make it a little more comfortable. Got the safety glasses as well. We've got these in three different. Comes with 3 different lenses: clear, amber, and tinted. And I've got my work hard gloves on as well, so you can also use your cell phone with these gloves on. So just a great feature. So, oh, hey, check it out. Comfort trims. Everybody thinks they look goofy, because they do, but they're awesome, guys. So if you're out string trimming, whether you like to wear shorts or you just want to keep your pants protected from being absolutely destroyed all day long, protects the front of your legs, guys, when you're string trimming. The back is mesh, and these are designed to stay off your legs so they're not hot and sticky in those hot days. The front is all solid. Back is mesh, adjustable. I've also got my Cujo shoes on, shoes that are made by landscapers for landscapers. We've got them in 3 different colors in men's, 4 different colors in women's. So again, just a ton of great gear out there to make you guys safe, efficient, effective, and profitable. Check it out, ballard-inc.com. Thanks, guys.